for a single family home in the Doral area, this is your chance. We are listing the property located at 5025 Northwest 112 Court in Doral, Florida, in the Doral Landing East community for sale. This model right behind me is actually a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom model with a 2-car garage, approximately 2,154 square feet under AC, and a total of 2,700 square feet. This home has been fully renovated. You really don't have to do anything to it. I'm sure you're gonna love it. This could be yours for only $775. It's going to be listed this week. And if you are interested, please do not hesitate to reach out to us so we can show you a private tour of this property. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and let's go check out this house. As you can see, this beautiful kitchen has been fully renovated. Quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, huge stainless steel sink, and one of my favorite parts is that it's a two-tone kitchen, which means that the bottom cabinets are light gray and the top are white. And it also has the soft closing mechanism. Take a look. Super sweet. If you have kids, you will never hear a door slam ever again.